It's happened to all of us at one point. We want pancakes for dinner, but we also want pizza for dinner. And we can't have them both at the same time. Or can we? We have got the ultimate pizza pancake, or is it pancake pizza? It doesn't matter. We've got it, we're gonna show you how to make it. We've been making pancakes for ages, we've been making great pizzas for ages. Now we're putting them together and we are making pizza pancakes. Okay, we're gonna start with the base. It's nice and easy. We're gonna take about 3/4 of a cup of flour and about 2/3 of a cup of water. Today I'm using whole grain flour. You can use any flour you want really. I'm going for whole grain because of the added health benefits. Whole grain flour is going to keep you feeling fuller for longer. It's going to hopefully stop you overeating, and it's going to include lots of vitamins, nutrients and antioxidants to help fight off infections and other nasty things.
So this is like the best pancake pizza ever made.
Teaspoon of yeast in there as well. If you don't have any yeast, you can stick in some baking powder, and we're going to give it all a quick whisk. We're going to move on with cooking the base. We're going to get some oil, wipe it around so the base is nicely covered. What we've made here is enough for one thick deep pan base or two thin and crispy bases. And today I'm in the mood for thin and crispy, so let's do it. So that's about half of the mixture, and we'll spread it out nice and thin with a spoon into a pizza shape. Just give it a quick blast. This is going to have just 2 or 3 minutes before we flip it over. We only need to flip it once. This should be fine. That's ready to go. Look at that. Just means that the top side is cooked slightly more as well.
All right.
That was 2 minutes, no more. So we're going to get the tomato base on there. We're going to use about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the thick tomato paste, spread out as well. So I find it easiest to spread it with a spoon, hold it in place with another spoon. Once that's on there, we're going to throw on a load of herbs. You don't need to go quite to the edges, as the sauce tends to spread out as it cooks, so you can just leave a little gap. Get on 2 or 3 tablespoons of herbs as well. Get those nicely mixed in. This is oregano. If you have a mixed Italian herbs packet, that's great as well. But oregano, basil, they're the flavors we're going for.
Okay.
I'd love to hear the best pizza you ever had. My favorite pizza was on a trip to New Jersey. It was absolutely fantastic. And the best pancake I ever had was at Center Parcs in England. So if you have a favorite, I would love to hear where it came from. Leave a comment below and let me know. On to the toppings. We're going for a super simple olives and mozzarella. Yeah, 8 olives, 8 mini mozzarellas. It's about half a bowl of mozzarella in total. Time to load on the toppings. So mozzarella and olives, spread them out. Okay, we've spread those out nicely. We're going to stick a lid on and we're going to let it cook for about 8 minutes. So if you're doing the thin and crispy base, 8 minutes. If you're doing the thicker deep pan base, you're going to need something like 14 or 15 minutes. So we've had about 8 minutes and we are looking good. Look at that. The mozzarella is melted, the base is cooked, and we have our pizza. So we're going to stick on just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. And to finish off, we're going to throw in a few fresh basil leaves.
Ah, yeah.
And then give it a slice.
Ah, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. What a great pancake pizza that is.
So I went for a whole grain base, as they're great for weight loss. If weight loss is something you're interested in, then make sure you click below for a free 7-day vegetarian weight loss meal plan. At the same time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
See you. Bye.